What's up? My name is Rob Anderson, and we are here on the Vegas Strip, and I just met Gary, and I just met Nick. And they're dating, so we're going to do some magic just for them. How long have you guys been together?
Over a year.
Okay, very cool. It's a good amount of time to be together then. Cool. About a year ago, you guys realized you liked each other, went on some of your first dates, got to know each other, held hands and everything. I want to take you back to early in the relationship with the first trick. Deal?
Okay, deal.
All right, I'm going to have you guys hold onto a card. You're going to kind of hold hands, though. Gary, could you hold a hand out towards Nick just like this?
Okay.
I got the 10 of clubs, and you can, gloves on or off is fine, but I'm just gonna hand him the 10 of clubs, and I need you, Nick, to place your hand on top of that, just on the hand on top. So you're kind of perfect holding hands. Stay like that. I've got another card that I think is a little better for you. It's the heart. It's the ace of hearts. Oh, see, that's a good card. It's a good card. You should have this. So what I think I'm gonna try to do here is ask you to remember the magic you felt early on in the relationship. As you feel a little magic now. Did you feel that though? Look.
Wow.
Look. Thank you. It's a good card for you guys. See, you should have had that. I told you.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Well, I actually made a little prediction about coming out here and meeting a nice couple, and I think I've met one. So I have got 4 cards that I made a prediction on just a little bit earlier, and I don't want you to think I'm using sleight of hand for any of this. So Nick, I'd like you to hold these cards just like I have them, with one hand cupping them just like this. Okay? Just gonna hold them just like that. Perfect. Freeze right there. You're holding 4 cards. They're the 4 queens. Just remember that. I made a prediction on just one. It's a 2-part trick. You're gonna work together at this. I think you'll do great. Nick, Gary just chose red cards. They're hearts and diamonds. You can keep either one you'd like. Would you like the heart or the diamond?
The heart.
He wants the heart over the diamond. Love over money. He's a keeper, Gary. He's a keeper. He's a keeper. It's a good thing. No funny moves. I actually did predict only one card just for the 2 of you. The card I predicted you would wind up on actually was the heart. That's why I turned the heart face up in that little packet just for you 2. I was that sure of how compatible you would be. So I took it out of a totally different deck. That's how sure I was about how compatible you would be. And I told you I made this prediction earlier. I knew I would use the heart for this. I knew you'd agree on the heart, you'd be compatible. So I actually didn't bring any other cards at all before I came out here. I just brought... You guys are a compatible couple. You work well together.
Oh my goodness.
Let's do one more.
That's pretty neat.
Thank you. Thank you. One more. Grand finale, and then I'm out of here. My hands are cold.
Yeah.
I want you to think of a happy memory you've made with Gary, Nick. I just want you to think of any happy memory at all. Could be anything. Don't tell me. I'm not going to try to figure it out. Just think of a happy memory. When you have it, I'd like you to think approximately what time it happened to the nearest hour. Just think. So it's going to be around 1 through 12. Just 1 through 12, okay? 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Again, 12 is right here. You're thinking of one of the times on here, and I've got to figure out what that is. I'm going to use this fork I stole from dinner earlier to try to figure that out. Just going to lay it on here where I think you're thinking of. Again, with 12 being right here, watch 12s. I'm just going to spin this a little bit. And as we do that, I'm going to lay this fork at, I'm going to lay it at 12 o'clock, Nick. But that wasn't your time. Watch. As it moves to 1, I believe 1 was your time. Were you thinking of 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
That 1 o'clock card is important then. It represents a special memory you've made. 1 o'clock. Whatever that is, you can tell later what that was. But for now, none of these other cards matter. Only that 1 o'clock card is important. I'm going to leave that 1 o'clock card with you just as a little souvenir, and I'm actually going to hand that off here to Gary, and that's an important card. You can remember that, yes?
I would say so.
All right, so why don't you take that, and whenever you're ready, I'll just let the camera get a shot of the card too. I got the camera on there. Whenever you're ready, I'd like you to just show Nick what that card is, all right?
It's matching. Is that yet? It is. Yeah.